Hello students. Welcome to School Life YouTube channel. Today's topic is Define producers, consumers and decomposers. So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. Producers, consumers, and decomposers, understanding the roles of living things in ecosystems. In ecosystems, living things play different roles that help to maintain the balance of nature. These roles can be broadly categorized into three groups: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Understanding these roles is essential for appreciating the interdependence of life on Earth and managing ecosystems sustainably. Producers. Producers, also known as autotrophs, are organisms that make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. They are the primary source of energy for most ecosystems and play a crucial role in supporting life on Earth. Examples of producers include 1. Plants. Plants are the most common type of producer and include trees, grasses, and crops. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen through photosynthesis. 2. Algae. Algae are simple aquatic plants that can be found in oceans, rivers, and lakes. They are an important food source for many aquatic animals. 3. Phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that float in the ocean and other bodies of water. They are a crucial food source for many marine animals. 4. Cyanocracia. Cyanocracia are a type of bacteria that can photosynthesize and produce their own food. Producers use energy from sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. This process is essential for life on Earth, as it provides energy and organic compounds for the food chain. Types of producers. 1. Terrestrial producers. Terrestrial producers, such as plants and trees, live on land and produce their own food through photosynthesis. 2. Aquatic producers. Aquatic producers, such as algae and phytoplankton, live in water and produce their own food photosynthesis. 3. Chemosynthetic producers. Chemosynthetic producers, such as certain bacteria, produce their own food using chemical energy rather than sunlight. Consumers. Consumers, also known as heterotrophs, are organisms that cannot make their own food and need to eat other organisms or plants to obtain energy. There are different types of consumers, including 1. Herbivores. Herbivores are consumers that eat plants and plant-based foods. Examples include deer, rabbits, and insects that feed on plants. 2. Carnivores. Carnivores are consumers that eat other animals. Examples include lions, tigers, and wolves. 3. Omnivores. Omnivores are consumers that eat both plants and animals. Examples include humans, bears, and pigs. 4. Detritivores. Detritivores are consumers that eat dead and decaying organic matter. Examples include earthworms and certain insects. Consumers play an important role in ecosystems by transferring energy from one level to the next. They help to regulate the populations of other organisms and maintain the balance of nature. Types of consumers. 1. Primary consumers. Primary consumers, such as herbivores, eat producers and obtain energy directly from them. 2. Secondary consumers. Secondary consumers, such as carnivores, eat primary consumers and obtain energy indirectly from producers. 3. Tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers, such as apex predators, eat secondary consumers and obtain energy from multiple levels of the food chain. Decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead plants and animals into simpler substances. They play a crucial role in releasing nutrients back into the environment, where they can be used by other living things. Examples of decomposers include 1. Bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic organisms that can be found in soil, water, and the digestive systems of animals. They play a key role in decomposing organic matter and releasing nutrients. 2. Fungi, such as mushrooms and mold, are decomposers that break down dead organic matter and release nutrients. 3. Worms. Worms, such as earthworms and compost worms, are decomposers that help to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients. Decomposers are essential for maintaining the health and fertility of ecosystems. Without decomposers, dead plants and animals would accumulate and ecosystems would suffer. Importance of producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, consumers, and decomposers are all important components of ecosystems. They play different roles that help to maintain the balance of nature and support life on Earth. 1. Energy flow. Producers provide energy for ecosystems, while consumers transfer energy from one level to the next. Decomposers help to release nutrients back into the environment, where they can be used by producers. 2. Nutrient cycling. Decomposers play a crucial role in recycling nutrients and maintaining the fertility of ecosystems. 3. Ecosystem balance. Consumers help to regulate the populations of other organisms and maintain. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video and what topics you would like to see in the next video.